come up with the idea of making biscuits?
We have wanted to come up with a concept for a long time. Southern heritage, a lot of those things that I grew up eating and enjoying. And the more and more I worked with other people, everyone always wanted my biscuits. Like, we would be having a dinner, we'd ask what can we bring, and they would say, bring the biscuits.
They make the most amazing drinks too. So they have like this watermelon mint lemonade today. It's really good. And then they said that this fall they're going to make cranberry lemonade. Which sounds awesome.
Thanks so much. So you want a chicken biscuit?
So here is the biscuit. This is the. Tell me what this is. This is the.
That's our chicken biscuit with homemade honey mustard and our homemade pickled squash.
So chicken biscuit with homemade honey mustard and their pickled squash. Oh my god. Oh, this is really, really, really good. So this is why you leave your house and you get out and you go somewhere and try something new. Because it's really, really good.
This is the watermelon lemonade.
Oh, you did. Sorry.
Would you like one?
Yes.
It's $3.
Okay.
So tell me, where did you get the name Beehive Oven, and is there a reason why it's octagonally shaped? Like, I guess it's not octagon, it's like a hexagon.
It's a hexagon.
Hexagon-shaped biscuits.
So Beehive Oven is really based on the shape of Beehive Oven, which is a hearth. It's sat next to a hearth. And it was an oven where baked products would come out. It's actually the equivalent of a toaster oven in the 1800s. We're not artisanal. We are reflecting our heritage. These are recipes that we've developed from our own background that we like, but we're not trying to replicate what was done 60 years ago. These are recipes that are our recipes that we've changed.
So you've got the influences that you've had from your heritage, but you're also blending them with where you are now and living in the present, which is good.
It's reflective of our heritage where we are. New York is part of our heritage, Texas is part of our heritage, South Carolina, Louisiana are all part of our heritage.
You guys do the frozen biscuits, so people can buy frozen biscuits from you and have your biscuits at home.
Yes.
They're already baked. They're completely baked through, so they'll come to you. We freeze them shipped, but they'll arrive thawed, which is okay. And then just pop them in the freezer, and then whenever you're ready to enjoy them.
And how far away do you ship?
We ship all around the country.
Nationwide.
Nationwide.
Coast to coast.
Okay, so you can get as many biscuits as you want. You just have to go to beehiveoven.com and look for them. Second rider.